Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Rolls-Royce Ghost. This four-door sedan has a 12-cylinder, 6.6-liter V12 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Rolls-Royce is a great value with less than 22,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows and window defogger.